Hello everyone. Now I am starting exercise 2.2 of the chapter linear equation in one variable. I have taken question 1, first question of this exercise 2.1. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Fine. In my previous video, I teach you that the equality involving variables is known as equation. So first of all, we make a equation. Okay, let the number be x. Now if you subtracted 1 upon 2 from a number, read the question very slowly and start making a equation. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, let the number is x. We have subtracted 1 by 2 from this number and multiply, this is the result, and multiply this whole number by 1 upon 2. See, we have subtracted 1 upon 2 from the number x, and whatever we get, we multiply it by 1 upon 2. You get 1 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 8. Fine? Is this equation is clear? First we have subtract 1 upon 2 from the given number. We have considered that number as x and then multiply it by 1 upon 2, and the result is 1 upon 8. You get 1 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 8. This is what we call equation formation. Now we have to solve this equation. For solving the equation, I am repeating again and again the first two-step process. One is simplify both RHS and LHS and then isolate the variable. Variable means x. This is the variable here. First step is simplify RHS and LHS. In order to simplify, we have to remove the bracket. Whatever is outside of the bracket, we have to multiply all the numbers inside. 1 upon 2 multiplied by x gives you 1 upon 2 x. Minus sign will come here. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 will become 1 upon 4 is equal to, right hand side is already simplified. So 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. Now second step, we have to isolate the variable. What is variable here? X. So we have to isolate the variable. We will keep this on left hand side. On right hand side, we have already have 1 upon 8, and this number will come here. Minus 1 upon 4, when it comes on right hand side, it will become plus 1 upon 4. LCM 8, 1, 4 2s are 8, 2. Fine. 1 upon 2 x is equal to 3 upon 8. 1 upon 2 x is equal to 3 upon 8. Now we will cross multiply. Eight x is equal to 2 into 3, which gives us x is equal to 2 into 3 upon 8. 2 ones are 2 fours. X is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, x comes 3 upon 4. If you want to check, you have to put the value of x here in the basic equation. This is the equation. When we put x is equal to 3 upon 4 here, it will be satisfied. The LHS will be 1 upon 8 and RHS is already 1 upon 8. One more question from the same exercise 2.2, second question. The question is the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Draw a rough diagram. Rectangular swimming pool is 154. Please write down whatever is given in the question. First of all, 154 meter. This is given perimeter. Fine. Its length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Let's assume breadth is equal to x. Let breadth is equal to x. Then length is equal to, now read the question very slowly. Its length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Breadth is x, twice of breadth is 2x, and 2 meter more than that. Okay, if length is equal to x, breadth is equal to x, then length is 2x plus 2. And what is given? Perimeter. You know the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. P is equal to 2 into L plus B. P is given 154, which is equal to 2. L is how much? 2x plus 2, and B is x. The perimeter is given. Perimeter formula is P is equal to 2 into L plus B in case of rectangle. L is, we have assumed breadth is as x, so length is equal to 2x plus 2. Now our equation becomes 2 within bracket 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Now please take all the variables from left hand side, because we have the habit to write all the variables on left hand side and all the constant on right hand side. 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. 3 2 ja 6x plus, we have to multiply in order to simplify. Again, two rules are there: simplify, then isolate. In order to simplify, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 2 ja 4 is equal to 154. 6x is equal to 154. This 4 we have to take from left hand side to right hand side, it become minus 4. It is equal to 150. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 upon 6. See, it is in multiplication here 6. When we take it towards right hand side, it will become in division. 6 2s are fine. The value of x is 25. Now the value of x is 25, and we have assumed that breadth is equal to x is equal to 25. So now the breadth is 25 meter, and when we put the value of b is in 2x plus 2, which is length, then length is equal to 2x plus 2, which will equal to 2 into 25 plus 2, which is equal to 50 upon 50 plus 2. So our length is 52 meter and our breadth is 25 meter.